Hi, my name's Sam Burnett. I'm the Creative Director for Hare Bone in London. We're here at Global Zoom 2019 in Vienna. This is one of the looks from our collection, Tainted Quartz. It's one of our haircut styles. Peach Selenite is the inspiration for the colour. The haircut, we started off with a very square line all the way through the perimeter, just pointing out the really beautiful features of the model. So that you see the line here points to the lips, and the fringe line opens up this beautiful cheekbone area. So then we've worked with the sea salt spray to really create some natural texture and just bring that out of the hair. Then working with my hands, just pressing that into the hair and encouraging the natural hair texture. There you go. I hope you like the look, and I will see you again soon.